So it's showing brake service for the rear brakes. This is a 2019 Mini Cooper Countryman. Okay, so you want to release the brake light. You see it's off, so it released. Then you want to go ahead and open this up. It's really simple. That's really simple. It just pops off. Just pops off right here, and then you have a reservoir right there. Unscrew it, and then you go ahead and lift the tire up. Loosen the bolts beforehand, and then I'll continue taking it out. All right, here's the assembly of the back brake. So you gotta take off these little plastic knobs here. Take these off. And then behind that, well, actually in there, if you take your T45, just go ahead and get it behind there, and you loosen it up. Okay, you want to take off these brackets. Very simple. Just pop off this bracket out. That's when we take it off, and it's out of there. So here's the caliper already pushed back as far as you need to go back anyhow. You need to go back that far with the new brake pads. And we'll just, I don't know, clip it thing in here, so it just goes on there. Like so, I used this tool set. I used this particular one. Put it back. Here it is. You attach it to that. Goes on there. And you go ahead and push it in here, and you just spin it, and it pushes it back. Pretty simple. So that's pretty much to it. You just assemble it. You use T45 to take out the bolts in the back to push them out, basically from this end. Push them out, and you slide it out. And there's no spring back, as you can see. There's no spring back where you need to release the e-brake spring on some other models. So, and here's the brake sensor. Just gotta chase it out. Take this one out, and this is right here. Go ahead, pull it out, switch it. Here's the new brake sensor right there. So it's pretty. Then I'm gonna show you how to reset it, as far as the reset for the brake light. So that nobody has a video yet that I've found, so this will be kind of helpful. So I'll continue on. Okay, once you loosen these guys up from both ends, it pretty much wobbles out. The rest there. That's it. You put your new ones in, just right there, and then you gotta go ahead and retrieve that back. see if I can do this with one hand. So here's a set that I use for the rear calipers. Basically, I use number 7. Just jig it, put it in here, this side there, this side there, slides it like this, and then you go ahead and back it up. Go ahead and back it up. And just got to retrieve this back enough. Give yourself enough space. Okay, go ahead and put this guy in there. It should just slide in there correctly. You're going to turn it. Put some pressure on it. Do that, then you just go ahead and let's see, pressure on it. So then go ahead and turn. Give me a second. So it's on there now. You gotta go ahead and just twist it. And you see it putting it back in. Just twist it back in. Trying a little bit more at a time. Twist it back in. And that's it pretty much. Turn it back in because it gets loose a little bit. Finish twisting it back. And that's it. Just take it off. It's cool right there. Go ahead, put the new brake pads in. This is the side, the non-sensor side. Put it back in. Slide it a little bit at the bottom a little bit. And then don't forget to put this complicated clip back on. It just goes on there, straps on, that's it. Turn these guys up, turn this guy down here again, and you're good. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to reset the brake sensor light on a 2019 Countryman. So hit the first throttle switch. Okay. You're gonna wait for that to clear. You're gonna hit this down. Hold it. Okay, reset possible. I'm gonna go through the switches real quick. Press, hold it, then reset, hold it again. It said unsuccessful. You know why? That is why. because that is on. So what you want to do is take that off, turn it off again, turn it on again, go into that clears, hold it down, let go through the cycles, find the particular cycle, hold it down, let go, hold it down again. You can let go now. Voila. So when you do it, don't forget to take that off. It makes a hell of a difference. So then another thing, put it back on and you're good. Excellent. Okay, I just finished servicing the brake pads, rear brake pads on the Countryman, but I have also more videos regarding my R53 that's in the works of getting done up, and then I have some more videos to show my daughter's R50, and then I got the videos also I'm gonna post about my wife's R56, I mean F56. Right now it currently has Borla exhaust with some Aussie 17s. So yeah, I got more content coming soon, hopefully. All right, peace out.